Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out from Facebook. First of all, let's launch the Facebook app. The easiest thing that you want to do is to go and click on your profile picture on the lower right corner, and then you want to scroll all the way down and you see the logout function. But this is only working if you are logging into one account and only one device. I assume a lot of you are probably logging through multiple different devices and you have at least 2 or 3 different accounts. So let me show you how you can actually log out from all the devices and from all the accounts. You want to go back all the way up. You want to click on the gear icon on the top right corner. Then you want to click on the Meta Account Center. After you click on Meta Account Center, you want to click on Password and Security. When you go on Password and Security, there is a special section that is called Security Checks. You want to click on where you're currently logged in. When you click on this, you will see which accounts are currently logged in through which devices. For example, we have account 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and each account is logged in through different device: tablet, PC, phone, Android, iPhone. You want to make sure that you can log in and log out automatically through all the devices. First thing you want to do is that if you currently not possess the phone anymore, you sold the phone, you lost the phone, you want to make sure that you log out from these devices that you don't have access to. Also, you want to make sure that the accounts will no longer be associated with automatic login or the multi-login functionality. We all know if you add multiple accounts through your login function, you simply can switch from one account to another without inputting manually the password or the username. So this is how you go about if you have only one account. You go on the general menu and you click logout. But if you have multiple accounts, you gotta go to the Meta Center, you gotta go to Password and Security, and you have to click on where you're currently logged in. Subscribe and follow for more.